Welcome to our Canvas overview video. This is part of our BSD Tech tutorials in which we will be talking about Canvas and giving you a brief overview for how Canvas is used in Beaverton School District. During this video, we're going to cover the topics of, well, what is an LMS? Specifically, what is Canvas? What grade levels is it utilized in? What are the district's expectations and the Canvas agreements? And then we're going to go into a live demonstration so you can see what Canvas even looks like. And at the end, we'll talk about the next video to watch in this series, as well as where you can go to get more training and more information.
An LMS, for short, a learning management system, is a software application that provides the framework that facilitates the digital learning process. It delivers content, allows for grading, feedback, and classroom discussions. Canvas is actually our adopted LMS used in secondary. It's similar to Seesaw for elementary, and it provides access to all of the digital curriculum for students and teachers. Canvas is also used in our classrooms from 4th through 12th grade across the district.
We've been using Canvas now for a few years in Beaverton, and through that process, we've seen that teachers have been using Canvas in different ways. So we've developed what's called the Canvas agreements, or the levels of Canvas usage. And the goal is to provide our students, parents, and our teachers a more consistent user experience. So these agreements are basically designed to help our students and teachers process and use Canvas and apply Canvas in a more consistent, similar fashion. For more information on these Canvas agreements, you can go ahead and check the bit.ly where we're going to have videos to support those Canvas agreements. Hey, and now for your viewing pleasure, we're going to go ahead and do a live demo, just a brief overview of what Canvas is, how to log into Canvas, how to access it, and what does Canvas look like for the traditional user. If you're a staff member, brand new staff, or an existing staff, the best way to access Canvas is to click on the staff bookmarks, which looks like this. Once you get to the staff bookmarks, Canvas, for me, is at the top of my staff bookmarks. If it's not located at the very top, you can click the pencil and edit those bookmarks to move those Canvas applications to the top if you want to. Once you click on Canvas for staff, it opens up and you're first greeted with what's called the Canvas dashboard. And the dashboard is basically all the courses that you as a teacher are either teaching, or potentially if you're a student, these are the courses you're taking, or if you're a parent, these are the courses your students are enrolled in. The experience will be the same. The dashboard is simply the place where those courses exist. And once you arrive in the dashboard, you can go ahead and arrange those dashboard courses however you want. So you can click and drag courses whichever direction you want. You can go ahead and even give nicknames to courses if you want to, just to kind of help you organize those courses. And on the far left-hand side, you'll notice you have other navigational buttons: dashboard, courses, groups, calendar, and inbox. And so as far as accessing your other courses in Canvas, if they're not on the dashboard, you can always click on courses and go to all courses. Once you arrive on all courses, you can put a star next to any course you want. By putting a star on any course, that will automatically allow those courses to show up for your dashboard, like a quick, easy access, kind of like a favorite course. And then finally, clicking on the calendar will also give you an opportunity to see your own calendar, because you have your own personal calendar in Canvas. If you're a teacher, you have Canvas course calendars for your students so that they know what's due, how to find it. And you can also, if you're taking a course, that's also where you would find that information. Me, I have 2 assignments. One is a daily assignment here on the 12th, and I also have an agenda. So that's a quick and easy way to find content that is either due or upcoming for students and for learners. And finally, on the right-hand side are all the course calendars. You don't have to select them all. You can unselect them. And that's the beauty of Canvas, is that if there's too many courses, you can unselect them. That will kind of help your calendar look cleaner. And finally, you can click, instead of month, you can click to where it says an agenda. And this will give you a much cleaner view and how you want to look at your course calendar.
Thanks for watching this overview on Canvas. Your next video is going to be specific to your job title. So if you are a Canvas teacher, your classroom is rostered through Synergy, you will have a video specifically for you. If you are a support staff, you still need access to Canvas to provide support for students, we will have a video for you. If you are a substitute for the district, or if you are a grad mentor, please look out for videos that are specific to you on how you may access Canvas. Thanks so much.